look if you're a busy mom or a busy corporate person, you're traveling all the time. You can have this in your purse, take it out, do it really quick. You got one and done shadows here. So there's multiple looks that you can do with this little quad. So yeah, Victoria Beckham did a good job with this one. Hey everyone, I want to talk about the Victoria Beckham wardrobe in, forgot, lilac, purple, I don't know. This is what it is. I swatched it here. You can't really see the colors. Wonderful swatching. You have this light one. I'm pretty sure you've seen tutorials on this already, so I'm not gonna get to it, but I'm gonna go ahead and I already have mascara, I have foundation, I have everything, so I'm gonna go with this light shade here, and I'm using the Rephr 01, and I'm just gonna put it all over the eyelid like so. And oh, it's very powdery, but it's like a lot of very powdery. And this seems to be like, when I was watching these, you're like a drier formula, which is fine. Kind of reminds me a tiny bit of, I'm going in with the light lilac. The Busy Art that I have. So this is this one, and it blends beautifully actually. So super easy. All right, doing the other side. Gosh, a lot of very dusty, very powdery, not dusty. So let me just keep on. The weight of this compact is heavy, which is nice. Feels luxurious in the hand. I guess if luxury would feel a way, this would luxury would feel like, I don't know. So let's do one like this. And I'm just gonna blend it like so. This reminds me of Lisa Eldra's compact Betty, the purple. I mean, a different tone, but it kind of has the same vibe. So if you have the Betty, you probably don't need this. And I'm just going to darken the corners just a tiny bit. Ooh, very pigmented. And so I'm just going to fluff that out and bring it in. Same thing here. Fluff it out and bring it in like so. I mean, this is definitely a quick and easy out the door thing. You can do a one and done with the purple and be done with it. Here's the shimmer. I have this color so many times in my, oh yeah, completely changes the whole look. And the palettes that I have. Like I always like, I'm attracted to that color and then I see it and I'm like, I already have this color so many times. I'm gonna take the lighter shade and do the eyebrows, and in the corner, line it up like so. And here is the new Victoria Beckham, I say new, but it's new to me, lavender compact wardrobe that I have here. I love it, nice. If you have Busy Art, you probably have the same color story. It feels like the same texture when it comes to the eyeshadows and stuff. So if you love Busy Art, you're gonna love this too as well. And it is pigmented. I was pleasantly surprised with this purple. This one reminds me of the Betty palette, so you may skip this if you already have that palette too. But yeah, do you have this probably in your color story, like in your palettes that you have? Yes. If you like luxury, I guess, and you want to feel luxurious. Do I feel luxurious using this? Not really. I feel like it's any other eyeshadow, but like the colors of the eyes look so pretty. I mean, it did a really good job, and that was like less than 3 minutes. I mean, it's 4 minutes now. I'm looking at the clock, the time. But flawless, blendable. You can totally achieve this look if you're a busy mom or a busy corporate person. You're traveling all the time. You can have this in your purse, take it out, do it really quick. You got one and done shadows here. So there's multiple looks that you can do with this little quad. So yeah, Victoria Beckham did a good job with this one. So yeah, if you're looking into like the luxury space, I recommend this. If you're not, you have other comparable palettes that probably you can achieve the same look that I just did with ColourPop, Viseart, all that stuff. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this type of content, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks. Bye.